Okay, I hope that our discussion is clear. And if not, kung may question kayo, feel free to direct message me or dito sa number ko. You can ask questions and then you can say, Ma'am, hindi ko po naintindihan, and then I will call you. Okay, we are now on what's more. Activity 4, write it right. Directions. Sundan nyo ako sa module nyo, please. Complete the given paragraph about COVID-19 by supplying the right modal. Rewrite the paragraph on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, as we have discussed a while ago, meron tayong obligation, permission, and prohibition. Now, in this activity, you will have to analyze kung ano ba doon ang gagamitin natin. Kung obligation ba na word, na prohibition ba, or permission ba. For example, in our day-to-day living with the outbreak of coronavirus disease 2019, sundan nyo ako sa module nyo, we are advised that we blank. Saan ba doon? Must not, cannot, must, can, ano pa yun, could, or don't have, or have to. So, doon kayo kukuha ng sagot. I hope this is clear. Activity 5. A change for the better. Directions. Replace the underlined phrases with the appropriate modal verb. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, pwede na rin ditong sumagot kung kakasya yung sagot nyo. Paano ito siya gawain? Activity 5. As you can see, like for example, number 1, you are not permitted to say anything about it. So, yung underlined phrase, i-change nyo siya ng appropriate modal verb. Ano ibig sabihin ng appropriate? Yung tamang modal verb. So, yung underlined words, yung underlined phrase, i-rewrite nyo siya doon sa blank, and then you have to change that underlined phrase into correct one. Okay, what I have learned. Activity 6. Directions. Answer the question concisely. When you say concisely, maiksi at tumpak. That is concise. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, ito siya. Pwede na siyang ilalagay sa separate sheet, sa intermediate, kasi maiksi lang ang blanco dito. What is the question? What is the importance of using appropriate modals in expressing different intentions? When you say intentions, yung obligation, permission, or prohibition. Ano daw ang kahalagahan ng paggamit ng tamang modals sa pagpapahayag ng iba't ibang intensyon? Iba't ibang intensyon like permission, pagbibigay ng pahintulot, prohibition, yung hindi pagbibigay ng pahintulot, obligation, yung tungkulin or yung dapat na gawain. Bakit daw mahalaga yun? Mahalaga ang paggamit ng modals. Okay, that is activity 6. Okay, as you can see, meron dyang rubric na binigay. Quality of writing, grammar, usage, and mechanics. So, sa pagsusulat nyo, magdedepende ang score nyo dyan sa rubric na binigay. So, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. So, susundin nyo, kung gusto nyo mataas ang grade nyo, doon kayo mag-focus sa number 4. Quality of writing, you have, the piece was written in an extraordinary style and voice. Very informative and well-organized. Grammar, usage, and mechanics. Virtually no spelling, punctuation, or grammatical errors. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng dictionary. Kung meron kayong internet sa bahay, pwede kayong mag-Grammarly. O, paano ba i-check yung grammars nyo para makuha nyo ang 100% na score. So, malapit na tayo. What I can do? Activity 7, travel with me. Directions. Write an article of 80 to 120 words about giving an advice to tourists when coming to Philippines for a visit or for a vacation. So, what's an article? Magagawa kayo ng isang, for example, sa Filipino nyo, sulating pangwakas or a write-up. Susulat kayo ng 80 to 120 words about giving an advice to tourists. Ano ba itong tourist? Yung mga taong pumupunta sa isang lugar para mamasyal. When coming to Philippines for a visit or for a vacation. Coming to Philippines, ibig sabihin, hindi ito taga Pilipinas sa mga tao. When you say turista na ito, galing sa US, galing sa Korea, o sa ibang bansa, ano daw yung mabibigay nyo na advice dito sa kanila? Write an article of 80 to 120 words. So, wag natin kalimutan to use modals to express your ideas. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So, kailangan talaga ito siya ng separate sheet of paper. Because this is 80 to 120 words. You may use the following categories: food, house rules, security, greetings, celebrations, hospitality, formality, and greetings. So, you can choose. Pwedeng about sa food, pwedeng about sa house rules, kung nandoon sila sa hotels, security, greetings, celebrations, hospitality, formality, and greetings. You may use these questions as your guide in making your composition. So we have here 4 questions to guide you on how to write your composition. Number 1, did you use modal verbs to give your opinion or advice? So you have to be sure na gagamit kayo ng modal verbs upon making your composition. Number 2, did you check your grammar, spelling, vocabulary, and style? So kailangan i-check natin ang ating grammar to have 100% score. Next, are you using linking words to give cohesion and coherence to your paragraph? Next, did you follow the suggested number of words? So, kailangan aabot ng 80 words up to 120 words ang inyong article. So, another one, features, ito na yung ating titingnan kung paano ba yung ating scoring. First is content and development. Next is organization and structure. So, the same with the other rubric, we have the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, kung gusto nyo ng 100% na score, you have to target outstanding. That's number 4.